Facilitation, as I mentioned, is something very close to my heart. I have brought some slides about facilitation, but before that, I would like to share a nice story about facilitation, because I got into this beautiful space of facilitation and coaching before I even know the real meaning and the importance of facilitation. This was about 12 years ago, and then I was a senior developer. And I was not actually doing much of facilitation as in my career. But, Kumkum, that the servant leadership and all these things are in my heart. So I was serving a Toastmaster club. Toastmaster clubs are very much popular in India. So I was serving as a vice president education in one of these Toastmasters club. And we had a challenge, though Toastmasters Club is a great platform for people to excel in their communication and leadership, but membership was a challenge. People were not attending much of the club meetings. So we really have to do something about that. So we created a circle. It was a group. We called it the circle. And the name was From Fear to Fire, which means it was a platform for people to come and openly talk about their fears in public speaking, as well as how they want to and their aspirations about setting the stage on fire. Okay, so my role was the facilitation. It was vital because now these people in this circle were coming from different backgrounds, different industries, different seniority levels. Definitely majority of them were much more experienced in public speaking than me, which is not a barrier for me to be a facilitator, because facilitator is more of a content neutral leader, right? So what I did was creating a platform in this circle, creating a platform so people don't feel offended to come. It is more inviting and more warm for them to walk into this circle and be open around their fears. That is one aspect of facilitation. And second is that also going beyond that, building that trust so they can rely on each other and be open on their fears and work together certain strategies to set the stage on fire. So as I mentioned, so this From Fear to Fire is not a linear process. It's more of a creative process, because discuss on your fears, talk about the aspirations, and come up with some commitments. Okay, how we want to get there. So creating that process was so much important. I think I really enjoyed that facilitation, the process. And that was my start, I think, to do the facilitation. So let me share my screen and summarize this story through a facilitation. So as I mentioned, the facilitation is a process. It's a process. We are taking through the group or the team through a process so they can connect, so that they can connect together, they can collaborate to brainstorm ideas, come up with creative solutions, and most importantly, sometimes we get a lot of creative ideas, creative solutions, but we are not making important choices. So making those choices and then finally commit and celebrate those commitments. So that is a process. When you say a facilitation is a process, that is what I mean. But that's not all. Very importantly, facilitation about this is process, and as well as creating a container, creating a structure so people can have this psychological safety, you have this trust, and very importantly, set some agreements, some working agreements. How do we work in this meeting? How do we work this in meetings more effectively? And time boxing. So facilitation, in summary, is about taking a group of people in a creative process so they can connect, collaborate, and make great commitments, and building that container so they have trust and psychological safety.